Hi, I'm John Sanders. In this video, I'm going to share with you an affordable recording device that you can use with your ATEM Mini and Webcaster X2. This will allow you to record your live streams without using a laptop or an expensive recording device. Hi, so I wanted to show you exactly how I have my live streaming set up now. I've got a few new pieces of equipment and it's kind of a budget setup. It takes all the work off my laptop. This is a 7-year-old laptop. It has a bad battery. I'm trying to take the work off it on my live streams as far as recording and streaming and encoding and all that. So I got a couple new pieces of equipment I want to show you, and I think that this is going to be my setup moving forward. So first thing I want to show you over here is the Cloner Alliance Evolve. It's the HDMI cloner box. And it records directly to micro SD cards, or you can also plug in a thumb drive or a external hard drive into the side. So you've got a slot for the SD drive, and you've also got a USB for external storage. This has its pros and cons. It does a really good job of recording. It records in MP4 format. So it's compressed, it's not ProRes, but that's perfect for my needs. And right now, I tested it out and it does work as an HDMI pass-through directly between the ATEM Mini and the Webcaster X2. But I went ahead and got an HDMI splitter. And the splitter I got is a Rockfish 4K Ultra HD HDMI splitter. And this was not a budget choice, but Best Buy had it mispriced on the shelf, and I got it for about half price. And I'll show you what that box looks like. It's a 2-output HDMI splitter, and it was full price. It's kind of expensive, but so far it's working amazing. Like I said, this Evolve recorder has some pros and cons. One of the cons is with the micro SD card, it only records in FAT32, so it breaks up your files into 2 GB sections, which is okay. I think I can just drop them in the video editor and put them together and it won't be a big deal. I did a test yesterday, and I believe I usually do about 3-hour live streams, and I think that's going to come out to about 20 gigs. So one 32 GB micro SD card per 3-hour workshop will be plenty. It says on the website for the Evolve that it will only take 32 GB SD cards, but I tried a 128 GB yesterday and it recorded fine. So I'm going to keep testing that. Hopefully that works out. Then I won't have to change out in the middle of the day. And then I have one output going to the Evolve to record, and one output going to the Webcaster to stream to the internet. The Evolve also comes with a little remote control here, so that can be kind of convenient. But it's recording in 1080p, so it's doing a really good job. This is a good setup. It's working smoothly. It's taking all the work off my laptop, and as you can see on the monitor, left click, and then I can left click again get the full display. But you can switch between computer display. We can have the presenter's laptop display, switch to the camera angles. I'm gonna have a 2-camera angle setup. And of course, we also have the still display, so I can have images ready, loaded up to display there. So everything's working well. It's not like a Blackmagic Assist or one of the more expensive recorders. It will only record in MP4 instead of ProRes, but that's good enough for my purposes. What I'm going to do with the live streams is edit them and make them into online courses. So I'll go through, edit it out some of the sections, add video to the front and back, master the audio on it, make it sound better, and that's pretty much going to be my workflow. So the MP4 files will be just perfect for that. I just wanted to let you all know what solution I landed on. The Evolve is affordable, especially compared to Blackmagic. So you can look at that. I'll put the link in the description below, also to the Rockfish splitter. Everything's working smoothly, and I think this is going to be a great setup. And this leaves my laptop to be able to control the presenter slides, be able to control the audio and the media pool from the ATEM, and also monitor my stream on YouTube. If you want to learn more about the Evolve, I'll put a link in the description below. But their website gives a lot of good information. If you're using a PC, you can actually use NTFS file system, which will record onto the micro SD cards in one large file instead of breaking it up. Or you can use FAT32, but if you're using a Mac, you'll have to use FAT32. My next stream is February 11th, 2020. I'm going to have one in the morning, which is HIV and Hep C counseling, and then one in the afternoon is ethics and substance use and mental health treatment. And this is for counselors, social workers, therapists, and other individuals who are getting continuing education hours to renew their license, basically, and that's what I do. I work at First at Blue Ridge, which is a nonprofit in Black Mountain, North Carolina. So we'll be doing the stream February 11th. This is going to be my setup that I just showed you. After we do that, I'll certainly come back and do a video and let you guys know how well it went, and if everything worked good over the course of the day. That's going to be 7 hours of streaming on February 11th. But I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to using this setup. I think it's going to work for me. Okay, thanks so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what your streaming and recording setup looks like. I'm always interested in different ways of doing things. For now, I needed an affordable solution, but as time goes on and I generate more income with live streaming, I hope to continue to upgrade my equipment. Thanks so much for watching, and I appreciate you.